or may I say good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, my name is Moses. It's been a while. So here is Samsung J4. I have to fix. The problem is not charging. I just remove the screen because you have to first of all remove the screen before you can unscrew it. I've also unscrewed it. So I just wanted to see before I start the process of changing the charging port. Now the phone cannot charge. This is the let me plug it to charger. Yeah, this is it. It's not charging. The customer complained that the phone stopped charging, I think yesterday. Now look at, here is the charging socket. You can see it's not charging. You can trace this wire. You see that this is where socket is not charging. It's not charging. No sign of charging. And this is the plug, as you can see down straight to the phone. It's not charging. So now I'm about to comment. I'm about to start the repair. I suspect that it's the charging port problem. So what I would need to do now is to change it and see what's going on. Even if the battery is down with my voltage, I can see that the phone is down, but when time comes up it will pick up, but there's no sign of charging, nothing. It shows that there's a problem with the charging port. So now I need to change the charging port and see what we have here. See the tuner. Okay. Like I told you, I've already unscrewed it. Yeah. Here is the charging port. This is the charging port. This is the battery. So what I will do now, I need to unscrew the motherboard. Screw on the motherboard. Okay. Then pick it up. Pick the motherboard up carefully. Pick up the motherboard carefully. And carefully. Now I have the motherboard. So this is the charging port. Looks very clean, but the problem is among the 5 clips, maybe one of them is broken. So I'll need to change it. So I'll bring the camera close to I'm going to be having it changed. Yeah, okay. This is the motherboard. This is the motherboard. Yeah, what I want to do now is to change the charging port, which is Samsung J4. Okay, now I just want to use this sellotape to hold the motherboard. So the camera, I'm sure you are seeing it. Okay. What I will do now, will apply a little of paste. Apply a little of paste just to soften the solder. Soldering lead. Okay. Okay. Now I need to get his exact charging port. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is exact charging port. Okay, I'm going to be changing this charging port now, right now. So when heating, I need to be very careful so I don't hit those ICs very close to the charging port. I can also use a okay. Yeah, push it my right. Huh? No, you said how to do video can record. So, yeah, I'm done removing the charging ports. This is the old, the one I just removed. So I need to now clean up the soldering face, the connection fix, and I need to change. Need to put the new one. Before then, I need to clean up the soldering lead, the old one from the charging port. Okay. Okay. So now I still need to desolder. Okay. Now it's time to replace the charging port. Before then, I need to clean the surface of the face with alcohol to make it more brighter. You can see it's very clear now. Okay, now this is the old. I think this is the old charging port. I want to now to place it with new one. But before then, I need to look. I need to look at what I'm doing with the microscope before continuing with the job. Okay. What is all right? Alright, I think it's perfect. I think it's perfect. I'm seeing some dirt in this. Please let me remove it before I will do anything soldering. Let me first of all clean up this place. I'm saying it's not. Oh, let me use. Where is it? Okay. Let me use it to clear it up so that I'll be very sure that everything with this motherboard is okay. Cool. I'm still seeing some paste there. I need to remove it completely. I need to remove the paste completely so that the job will be so neat that there will be no complaint. Because one of this place I'm seeing some lead that ought not to be there. So I need to remove it before resoldering another one. Another charging port. Okay. Okay. Now I can now clean. Okay, now I'm good to go. What I will do now is I will need to repaste it. Okay, and then place the new one, the new charging port. You can see it's already in, but nothing is holding it. It's in perfectly. Nothing is holding it. You can see it is there. It's in perfectly. Okay, I will now commence with the soldering. Okay, before then I need to get I need to also make apply some paste, solid paste.